Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use a coupon on Walmart app. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this site where there is a guide on how you can enter a Walmart coupon. Walmart has become part of the American pop culture, but many web shoppers are ready to pop in frustration when they are trying to use a Walmart coupon code they've found online. The promotions team is quickly expanding what they offer online and continually tinkering with their offers. Below, we will walk you through the process of how to use Walmart promotional coupons and answer your question, where do I enter a Walmart coupon? So the first step is add your item to the shopping cart, and when ready to purchase, click the card in the top right corner. So just go ahead and click on this icon, and then step 2, confirm what is in your card, and when ready, click continue to checkout. As you can see guys, now we're gonna see the next step, which is step 3. You must sign in to use a coupon. Do that now by signing in to your existing account. If you continue as a guest, you will not be able to redeem a coupon. As you can see guys right here in the pictures, click on sign in, and then step 4. If you are applying a coupon, then your opportunity is on the right hand side of the page as pictured below. You must have signed in or created an account to use a coupon. If you are checking out as a guest, then the box will not appear. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.